Today we have some special guests.
Oh, look at that!
We are making magical slimes for our favorite frozen characters. Let's get started. Let's start with Elsa's slime. Let's have a look what's inside. That smells so good. Let's add some more water and mix. Let's put it on the plate. It's time to decorate the slime. And now the beads. They are colorful. But you know what? I think the little stars from Olaf's container would look even better for Elsa. Do you think so? What a shiny slime! Elsa, this slime is for you.
Oh, thank you.
Anna, it's time to make a slime for you. So beautiful. Wow. Olaf, let's make a slime for you.
Slime powder, colorful balls, we have to pour some water until this line and mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Add some more water until the line and mix one more time. We can close and shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Now I'm perfect!
Okay guys,
Whose slime do you like more? Olaf's slime, Anna's slime, or Elsa's slime? Write in the comments. See you later, bye!